Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Dea Aurela Salsabila and my last three digit of my student ID number is 038. Today I would like to present about my task. The topic is inequality in access to education. And the title I choose, One Indonesia, Different Opportunities. One Indonesia, Different Opportunities. A snapshot of inequality in access to education in Indonesia. Educational inequality refers to a situation in which not all individuals have equal opportunities to access appropriate, high-quality education. This situation can be influenced by various factors, such as economic disparities, geographic location, and the uneven distribution of educational facilities and infrastructure. Students from low-income families often face limitation in meeting educational needs, such as school fees, learning supplies, and access to technology that support learning. Additionally, students living in remote areas frequently encounter difficulties due to limited educational facilities and access to transportation to school. Consequently, opportunities for learning and the development of student potential vary across regions and among social groups. This disparity can impact the quality of human research and widen social and economic gaps in the future if not addressed equitably and sustainably. Okay, next is supporting data or fact. The first is evidence that Indonesia faces economic inequality. In the news article I cited, an elementary school student in NTT allegedly took his own life because his family could not afford school supplies such as book and stationery costing 10,000. This case demonstrates that economic conditions can be a barrier to children receiving a proper education. Number two is evidence of Indonesia's geographical inequality. At SDN 012C Banjar in North Kalimantan, the access road to the school is damaged and difficult to traverse, especially during the rainy season. As a result, many students cannot attend school, disrupting teaching and learning activities. And the third is evidence that Indonesia faces infrastructure and facility disparities. Indonesia still faces a shortage of nearly 5,000 teachers. This situation leads to some schools lacking teaching staff, resulting in uneven educational quality. From these three cases, it can be concluded that disparities in access to education remain a problem that requires collective attention. Every child in Indonesia has the right to equal educational opportunities without being hindered poverty, distance, or limited facilities. Okay, next is analysis of the main causes. Based on the three cases identified, there are three main causes of educational inequality in Indonesia. First is economic factors. Low economic status can limit a family's ability to meet their children's educational needs, such as book, school supplies, uniform, and other related expenses. This is evident in the case of elementary school student in NTT, which shows that poverty remains a barrier to obtaining a prepared education. Second is geographical factors. Remote location and inadequate road access make it difficult for students and teachers to reach schools. In the case of SDN 012 say Banjar in North Kalimantan, roads that are damaged and muddy during the rainy season frequently disrupt teaching and learning activities. Okay, third is educational infrastructure and facilities. A shortage of teachers and the uneven distribution of educational resource result in varying quality of education across regions. The shortage of nearly 5,100 teachers demonstrates that the equitable distribution of education remains a major challenge for Indonesia. From these three factors, it can be concluded that disparities in access to education are not caused by a single issue, but various interrelated factors. Therefore, a collective effort is needed to ensure that every child in Indonesia has equal educational opportunities. So, this is my bibliography of my infographics. Every child has the same potential. All they need is equal opportunity. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.